Leeds International School, Primary 4, Second Term, English Language, Part 1, Reduce, Reuse, Recycle. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Dealing with waste. Countries all over the world face challenges with rubbish. We throw away many different things. Countries all over the world we face a challenge with rubbish. So we throw many things. So here you can see a diagram, a table, types of rubbish and examples. Packaging, cardboard boxes, glass bottles, plastic containers, tins and sweet wrappers. Paper, newspapers, magazines, envelope, junk mail. Garden waste, weeds, grass cuttings, dead plants. Food waste, potato skins, fruit peelings, leftovers. Electrical waste, broken television, out of date computers. So these are the types of rubbish and the examples. It is amazing how much rubbish countries produce each year. Here are some examples. So here you can find a table. The countries produce rubbish each year. So the countries: China 254 million tons, United States of America 220 million tons, Britain 100 million tons, India 60 million tons, Thailand 27 million tons, Pakistan 20 million tons. So these are the approximate amount of the rubbish each year. So what happens to all this rubbish? In the past, huge holes in the ground were used and all the people's rubbish was tipped into them. So in the past what happened, they bury a huge hole and they put all the rubbish of the people into the huge hole. These holes are called landfill sites. So we call it landfill sites. They are hygienic and unsightly. They are unhygienic and unsightly. They are still used today, but some have been improved. The holes are lined so that the rubbish does not contaminate the soil or groundwater. But there is still a problem. There is just too much rubbish and not enough holes to put all in. What are governments doing? All over the world, governments are looking for other cleaner solutions by providing households with more than one rubbish bin. A household rubbish can be separated into recyclable, non-recyclable and compostable material before it is taken away. So what happened? The government has taken an action to put the rubbish separately, recyclable, non-recyclable and compostable material before they take away the rubbish. Some schools also offer classes about recycling. So some schools, they provide the classes for recycling. The classes aim are to make children aware of what can and what can't be recycled. So in these classes, the kids, they can study, they can have a small idea about what can be recycled and what cannot be recycled. What can we do? Everyone can help solve this problem by remembering the 3 R's. Reduce. Help reduce the amount of rubbish that goes into landfill sites. Do not buy items with lots of packaging. So what you have to do, you have to reduce the amount of rubbish that goes to these landfill sites. And do not buy lots of items of packaging. Reuse. Instead of throwing things away, try to find another way to use them. So you can find another way to use them. Reuse it again. Donate clothes and unwanted items to charity. So what you have to do, you have to donate, you have to give to someone else the unwanted items as charity. Recycle. Put all recyclable rubbish in a recycling bin. It can be taken to a recycling plant where it can be made into something that can be used again. Recycling rubbish, what happens? We can take an as recycling plant where it can be made into something that can be used. Word check. Find each word in the extract, choose the correct meaning. So you can find these words in the extract and you have to choose the correct meaning. Number 1, hygienic. B, dirty. Unsightly. B, horrible to look at. Improved. A, made better. Fourth one, contaminate. Make something unhealthy. Solutions. Ways of solving problem. Ways of solving problem. Reduce. Make less. Donate. Give to. Donate. Give to. Comprehension. Discuss the answers to these questions. Number 1. Give 3 examples of different types of rubbish. You have to give 3 examples of different types of rubbish. So you can give under packaging, you can give cardboard boxes, paper, newspapers, and then garden waste, you can give grass cuttings. Second one, of the countries in the table, which one has the most rubbish each year? Then the least rubbish each year. So you can refer that table, the blue colored table, and you can find the most and the least. Third one, where did all the rubbish go in the past? So they are asking that where did all the rubbish go in the past? Okay, right. And then fourth one, how have landfill sites have been improved? How these landfill sites been improved? So you have to say how it got improved.